Are you finding yourself overwhelmed when it comes to revising geography? Do you struggle to remember the key points from the syllabus? If these questions sound all too familiar, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take the stress out of revision and show you a structured approach to preparing for your exams. Following our 5 steps will help take the stress out of revision and show you a structured approach specifically designed for GCSE Geography success. Let's get started. To begin with, you need to know what you should be revising and which areas you need to focus on. To do this, complete a personal learning checklist for the unit you plan to revise. A personal learning checklist, or PLC, lists everything the exam specification covers for a specific unit. Completing a PLC will help remind you of what needs to be revised and help prioritize the areas you need to focus on. You can download PLCs for all Paper 1 and Paper 2 units for the AQA specification from the Revision Hub on Internet Geography. There's a link in the description to the Revision Hub. Now that you know the areas you need to focus on, you can move on to Step 2, blank page. On a blank piece of paper, write down everything you can remember about the topic you're revising. Try to organize your notes. For example, if you are revising tectonics, group the different types of plate margins. This active revision technique makes you think about what you have studied and what you can remember, and helps you organize your knowledge and understanding. Don't worry if there are gaps in your knowledge. The whole point of this activity is to identify your areas for improvement. Step 3 involves recapping your areas for development. Using your PLC and blank page sheet, identify the areas you need to work on. Next, spend some time revisiting the gaps you have. You could read about the topic or watch revision videos covering the areas you feel less confident about. We've got reference pages covering the full specification on Internet Geography. Stage 4 involves creating a revision resource. Use an active technique to produce a revision resource covering the topic you're revising. Active revision techniques include revision cards, mind maps, sketch notes, and revision clocks. We've compiled a guide on using the most effective revision techniques on Internet Geography. Revisit the recap resources you used if there is something you can't remember. A word of warning though. Do not copy or highlight text, these techniques have little impact on learning. The last step on your revision journey for this topic is to review your learning. Start by completing quizzes to check your knowledge and understanding. We have a comprehensive collection of revision quizzes on Internet Geography to help you with this. Next, attempt past exam questions to practice applying your knowledge and understanding. There are lots of past papers on the AQA website. After marking your exam questions, update your PLC. If there are still areas for improvement, spend more time revising. We hope this guide helps you achieve the GCSE Geography grade you deserve. Please support Internet Geography by liking this video and subscribing to our channel.